Let's talk about your eyes, because believe it or not, you only get one set of them. Many eye problems develop gradually and can go unnoticed. So if you've been treating them like they're disposable, well, it's time to rethink that strategy. Don't worry, I'm not going to give you a whole lecture on eye health, maybe just a little. Instead, I'm going to show you how to take care of those peepers so that they can keep doing their thing, like being able to check out all the beautiful women around town.
Pick up chicks.
So let's start with food. I know, every health video always tells you to eat your veggies, but here's the thing. Your eyes are big fans of certain nutrients. First up, lutein and zeaxanthin. Sounds fancy, right? But these are antioxidants that basically put a shield over your eyes, protecting them from UV damage and slowing down age-related decline. The best part is, you don't need to live on kale and carrot juice to get these nutrients. Red bell peppers, oranges, and even walnuts are packed with them. So go ahead, snack away, and don't be afraid to throw in a handful of chickpeas for good measure. Make sure you're also drinking plenty of natural spring water. Your eye is surrounded by fluid which protects the eye by washing away debris and dust every time you blink. Staying well hydrated is very important to maintain a healthy balance of fluid in the eye. Now let's talk about that thing we all love, staring at screens. I mean, you're probably watching this on a screen right now. But here's the problem. Too much screen time can cause eye strain. The fix? Something I like to call the 20-20-20 rule. For every 20 minutes you spend staring at a screen, take a 20-second break and focus on something 20 feet away. Trust me, your eyes will thank you. It's not much, but it makes a difference. And then there's blue light. Yes, the blue light that comes from your phone, your computer, and every other screen you've been glued to for the last couple of hours. Alright, maybe not hours, but you get the point. The thing about blue light is that it messes with your sleep cycle. So if you're up until 2 a.m., scrolling through TikTok wondering why you're wide awake, that might be the reason why. You can fight back with some snazzy blue light blocking glasses or apps that filter out that harmful glow. And trust me, they're not just for nerds anymore. These things are trendy right now. Now, getting your dose of sunlight is crucial, and that's why sun gazing at sunrise or sunset can be beneficial. Sun gazing during periods of lower light can help train the eyes to take in more light, potentially improving your vision over time. Alright, let's talk exercise. No, not for your abs, we're talking about your eye muscles. And like any other muscle in your body, they need to be worked out to stay strong. Try integrating daily eye exercises such as rolling your eyes in circles or focusing on a single point in the distance. You can even use these pinhole glasses that look like you're trying to bring back the 90s, but they actually work. They force your eye muscles to work harder like a personal trainer for your eyeballs. It's best to use these pinhole glasses for at least 30 minutes a day while you're watching TV or looking at the computer. Let's not forget about herbal remedies. No, I'm not suggesting you go live in the forest and start chanting to the trees. Unless that's your thing, no judgment. But one herb that's actually good for your eyes is called eyebright. This little plant has been used for centuries to support vision health by reducing inflammation and soothing infections. Plus, it's packed with zinc and copper, two nutrients that help protect against cataracts. Let me show you how you can throw an eyebright into your daily eye care routine. So what you're gonna need to do first is boil 8 ounces of water. Once the water is done boiling, measure 8 ounces of water, which is equivalent to 1 cup. Now, just to make it easier, I prefer transferring the boiling water inside of a regular cup. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and put in 1 tea bag of eyebright. Put the lid on and let it steep for approximately 15 minutes. All right, those 15 minutes are up. Let's move the lid, move the tea bag. Just transfer it back into our measuring cup. then we can just pour our liquid in the glass bottle. This will stay fresh for up to 1 week. So now that our liquid has finally cooled off, you can use one of these eye wash cups to perform the eye wash. You can get one of these at your local drugstore or on Amazon. I'll drop a link down below for you guys so that you can easily get one for yourself. All right, let's get to it. So what you want to do is take your liquid and fill up your eye wash cup to the top. Once that's done, place the eye wash cup onto your eye. Tilt your head back and apply steady pressure to minimize liquid escaping from the sides. Keep your eyes open during the process and move your eyes from left to right, up, down, and in circles. Once you're done, discard the liquid. To ensure the best results, make sure that you're doing this twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. At the end of the day, taking care of your eyes doesn't have to be complicated. A little extra hydration, some good food, less screen time, and maybe a few eye exercises are all you need to keep those peepers in tip-top shape. So hydrate, eat your veggies, and for the love of your vision, stop scrolling at 3 a.m. Unless it's my video, of course. You can find the links to all the products discussed in this video in the description down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, hopefully with better vision.